Welcome back to another video, guys. So I've got a bit of a Kiki London haul today. We've got a few things that are brand new launches from Kiki London, and I've got a few things that have been on the website for quite a while. I will leave links to everything in my description box, and I do have a 10% discount code for Kiki London. I will leave that in my description box as well. So I'm just going to grab one of these boxes, and whatever comes first comes first. Let's get on with it, Aggie. Right, so this is a brand new launch from Kiki London. There's 2 or 3 products that are brand new launches actually that I'm going to show you. So first we've got a set of Platinum Flakes. I think there's 6 colours. They're all numbered 1 to 6 from the Platinum Flakes. And then they've also just brought out, what's this one? Oh, a white pearl chrome and a holographic chrome powder. And then they've also brought out another set of 6 chrome powders. I am quickly going to show you each of these products. I'm not going to swatch absolutely everything today, but I will give you a little peek of what they all are. So I'm going to start with the Platinum Flakies. Each one comes with a little applicator, and these Platinum Flakies are essentially, look at this, poofed, I knew it would do that. They're like gold leaf, all different coloured gold leaf, but it's chopped up into really fine flakies like that. So that was the gold. Then we have got the silver. These are all numbered 1 to 6 or 01 to 06. Look at this red, super bright, vibrant, just metallic platinum flakies, aren't they? Green, perfect for Christmas. And guys, can you see these pots as well? Even with the chromes I'm going to show you in a minute, they are jam-packed full to the top. I've had quite a few pots of flakies in the past, and there's hardly anything in them. These Kiki pots, they are jam-packed. So we're going on to the chrome powders now. So again, they've just recently launched 6 brand new chrome powders, and these pots are huge. Not only are they huge, they are full to the brim. I'm just going to quickly do a little comparison. So this is another pigment powder powder from another brand. Look at the size difference. They are huge. So to start with, we've got your kind of, I think that is the gold, like a classic gold. And then we've got your classic silver. These pots are huge and they're full to the brim. Fantastic value for money. They really are. Look at this blue. I think I swatched that in a minute. That was one of 2 or 3 that I might have swatched. Then this one is kind of a rose gold when it's on the nail. And then I saved the best till last, didn't I? Like a bright pinky purple fuchsia. Stunning colour. Right, and then also for the powders we have got, this is the classic glazed donut powder. I think they've called it white chrome or pearl chrome. I missed it there. That gives you your classic glazed donut. Hailey Bieber kind of nail that was trending a few months ago. Then we have got holographic. Guys, this is stunning stuff. The rainbow colours that come out of this is beautiful. Right, so quickly I'm just going to show you a couple of the chrome powders. You need a no wipe top coat. I'm using the Hema Free no wipe top coat from Kiki London, and these chromes are best applied onto a black or a dark coloured nail. So once that no wipe top coat has been cured in the lamp, I'm just going to use the applicator and rub this in. This is so smooth, guys, but take a quick look at it whilst it's nice and smooth like now, because I went over it with a top coat that I use for glitters and shimmers, and I ended up adding a bit of a shimmer sparkle to it. So please ignore the little sparkles that I have just added to this chrome. It was nice and smooth, but there was no way I was going to start a brand new top coat just to top coat 2 chrome swatches. So I do apologise, but take a good look at them whilst they're nice and smooth before I add a shimmer. So that's the pink and the blue swatched. I am quickly also going to show you this holographic powder. Some chrome powders, you can feel the kind of graininess when you're rubbing them in, but every single powder I tried of Kiki London's today was so smooth. There was no graininess. They applied beautifully with no gaps. There was no effort. Really good quality powders. I was really impressed with them, really. Right, so lastly for the powders, I'm going to swatch the pearl white over the classic white, and I'm just going to show you over this cotton candy as well. I do prefer this pearl white over the lighter colours, like pale pinks. I do prefer them personally over pinks. So it just gives it that, just a kind of chromy glazed, yeah, just chromy kind of look, doesn't it? Just gives a plain colour a little kind of, I don't know what you'd call it other than a pearly finish. Right, so that's those powders I've swatched quickly. That would look beautiful as a baby boomer, wouldn't it? The cotton candy with the white, I think, would make a beautiful baby boomer or French fade, wouldn't it? So quickly, guys, onto the foils. So I went on a bit of a foil mad one because I just liked the look of them, and I didn't even know Kiki London did foils. Have you ever seen abalone shell in like bright bold colours? Because I haven't. So these are all abalone shell effect foils, your standard abalone, and then there's a couple of extra marble type foils for a bonus. But look at these bold coloured abalone shell foils. Never seen them before. I thought they were well smart. And then we've got these are smart as well. They're kind of animal print, aren't they? Leopard print type thing. So again, we've got all bright, bold rainbow colours of the animal print, but then they've all got matching marble colours underneath them. I didn't realise till now they're all corresponding. The top marbles, the bottom, yeah, they match. So this was my favourite. This was the whole reason I ordered foils. I only wanted these, but I ended up with 4 somehow. All these rainbow colours and a silver and a black. They're going to be perfect for summer, aren't they? Look at that blue as well. That blue would look beautiful with white snowflakes, wouldn't it? That's gave me food for thought. Right, and lastly, I grabbed some Christmas ones because why not? It's Christmas. So we've got 5 kind of full cover foils like these that would just completely cover the nail, and there's also 5 transparent ones in there, so you could cut any image out of the transparent ones. You don't have to, you know, use them as they are. You can just cut some of the images out. Some of these were really cute, and I haven't got a single one of these. I thought I had every Christmas foil out there. Nope, I haven't, because I haven't got them. How cute are they? Where did that squeaky voice just come from? It's nearly Christmas. I'm getting excited. I loved the little stars on that. They would look nice to just cut out. Look at the little snowman. Oh, and then we've got these ones. I like that little hat just by itself. I really like this tree. That tree just by itself would look nice. The little hat just on the French smile line. Don't that look nice? That was by accident, and I thought, oh, that looks good. I like the tree on this one as well. Little stocking, candy cane. Beautiful, beautiful little Christmas foils, aren't they? Right, so finally that is it for the foils. I've also grabbed a Kiki London foil gel and their silicone tool. Fantastic for applying chrome powders, foils. I love when brands put their logo on the tools and stuff. It just gives it that more premium feel, and like they've put a bit more love into it to put their name on it. Do like that. It's a bit of a firm one as well, this. I liked it. It was a good quality one. So I'm just going to quickly throw some little Gel X almond shaped nails. I do quickly fly through this part. I've not prepped my nails. I've not prepped the tips or anything. It was just more about showing you just a quick little design today and using a couple of the foils. So I'm just using some little almond tips. I'm just going to stick a little bit of glue gel in the cuticle area like that. Press it down at my cuticle area and just push that glue up till it's completely covered my nail and whack it under that lamp. So I've done the rest of these off camera now, guys, and I'm just going to buff all the shine off these nails. Gel won't stick to a shiny surface, so whatever you're doing, whatever nails you're using, you always need to get the shine off. I'm not going in with a base coat because I'm using one of Kiki London's rubber base coats, number 04. This is a beautiful colour. I really liked this colour up against my skin tone. So I'm going to do 2 really thin coats on all the nails. I'm just going to quickly show you a couple, and then we'll get on with this cute little Christmas design. And this has to be probably the easiest Christmas design anybody could ever do. So that's all my nails covered now with the rubber base coat. I'm using classic black. This is from the Kiki London Hema Free range, and I'm using their stripe liner brush. Love this brush, it's so versatile. And I am literally just going to do black squiggledy lines like this straight across all of my nails. It doesn't matter where you put them, but try and join each nail up so it looks like the line's gone straight across all 4 nails. And I'm going to use these foils, but I needed corresponding colours. So for the yellow, I'm using Golden Hour. Then I've pulled out Parrot Green for the green, turned out to be far too yellow. And then I'm using Paradise Red, and I am using, what's this one called? Neon Prince. So they're just colours to go under the foil, so if there's any gaps, you're not really going to see it. So all you need for this design, guys, is a dotting tool. So I'm using the bigger side of the dotting tool to do the head, and I'm using the smaller side of the dotting tool to do the ears, and I'm just creating little teeny tiny Mickey Mouse heads. My mistake was I should have flash cured each one, but because I didn't, the ears kind of bled into the head, and some of them ended looking more like love hearts than Mickey heads, but it's fine. You can do yours so much neater than me. Flash cure each colour, and then they won't bleed into each other like mine did. So literally a big dot for the head, 2 tiny dots for the ears, and I'm just going to alternate between all 4 colours straight across that black squiggledy line and create Mickey Mouse fairy lights. So I've got all my Mickey heads cured now. I'm going to go over them with the foil gel. I'm just starting with the yellow. I'm doing the yellow ones first, because if I put foil gel on all the colours, the yellow foil would stick to the blue and the blue would stick to the red, yada yada yada. So I'm just going to put the foil glue on the yellow heads. That's going to get cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I'm just going to start pressing the yellow foil into the Mickey heads. One mistake I did make as well was I did the Mickey heads too thick, and some of the colours wrinkled slightly. So I did struggle to get the foil to lay flat, because some of them had wrinkled. The foil didn't really want to go into those little wrinkles, but yeah, it was fine. I was so happy with them by the end. So I'm just going to let you watch for a sec, guys. I'm just repeating the same process, doing one colour at a time. Right, so that is all my foils on. How cute are they? So, same again, sticking with the dotting tool. I'm using the Hema Free No Wipe Top Coat, and I'm just going to cover all them little heads now with the No Wipe Top Coat, cure them in the lamp, and that'll be then finished. So cute. Why do I keep doing a squeaky voice? I've no idea. So there we go, guys, that is then finished. Super easy, beginner friendly set, and I think they are adorable. And you don't have to do them in Mickey head style. You could just do dots and turn them into normal, classic kind of fairy lights. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. I will leave links to all the new Flakies, chromes and foils. Everything I've showed you in today's video, I'll leave links below. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.